Hi, welcome to LSF Academy. Today we are going to learn about forklift stimulator. This forklift stimulator course useful for the new forklift operators. Before they going to handle the real machine, right, they have to come for this stimulator course. They have to learn the hands-on practical, and then once they are familiar with these controls, they have to go back to the real one. Is easy for them. This forklift stimulator, we got the different scenarios, starting from the control familiarization, driving forward, backward without rope and with rope, figure of 8, ascending, descending, ramp with rope and without rope, picking the pallets from the rack, and moving into the container, loading, unloading from the trucks. Duration of this course is 4 hours, and then this one very helpful for the new operators. I wish everyone to come attend this course to gain the knowledge about the forklift before you handle the real one. Thank you.